Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have another Zenpop box. This literally came in the mail like yesterday, and I remember the guys at Zenpop telling me that the April box was going to be Sakura themed, which I just feel is like the most universal popular theme ever when it comes to Japanese stationery. So I couldn't wait. I really wanted to unbox it and show you guys, especially because it's still on sale right now. So if you like what you see, then you can still go pick it up, hopefully. Actually, I should probably double check that. Okay, no, I was right. Sakura pack is still purchasable. It's the current pack, so I'm going to be uploading this video tomorrow, so hopefully it should still be there. It should, yeah. I'll put an amendment if it's not. So I know I promised the Etsy sticker haul, like part two videos ago. It's coming. It'll probably be the video after this one, because I don't want to leave it too long. I'm going to upload that, and then I can get on with my regular schedule. So yeah, let's get right into it. So we have Sakura theme. So the first item are these beautiful petals. They're like Sakura petals, and I'm just trying to see what sort of paper it's made of. Oh, it's translucent paper, and you can write messages on it. This is beautiful. It feels really delicate. So you can either write messages. I might actually use it for decoration. That's what I feel like I'd use it for, but this is one of those things where I'm like, this is just too beautiful, I can't use it. But no, I have to use it. That was the promise I made in the previous video. This is a lettering pen. So I'll give this a shot at the end of the video. I think that's the only pen in the video. Oh no, there's one here. I'll try this as well at the end. Then we have beautiful washi tape. Let me open this up. So here's the washi tape up close. Oh, I love that my nails match. That was totally not intended, but great coincidence. So you've got the sakura flowers with the gold foiling in it. Okay, so the next item is this one. These are like washi tape strips, but they're already pre-cut, so you can fold them into your planner. Isn't that amazing? Perfect for planners. Okay, I'm gonna open this so you can see it a little clearer. Okay, there we go. It's like a little booklet, and you can just fold this up. Yeah, it's just an adorable little booklet of washi tape, pre-cut washi tape. All right, next item. I think this is a postcard. Yeah, it's a really nice postcard. I'm not sure if you can see, but they've got like glitters in the heart. Beautiful glitters. Spring is happiness in full bloom. Oh, it's so beautiful. Actually, I'm going to put it back in its little plastic holding just to protect it. That's adorable. I don't know, this is not something I would probably send to anyone. This is more decorative for me. Then the next item is a bunch of stickers. Bunch of beautiful Sakura stickers with the little flag banners as well. Amazing. Next we have a notebook. Yeah, literally like this tiniest gridded notebook I've ever seen in my life. But yeah, so this is what the notebook looks like. It is beautiful texture, but it's all gridded, and it's like really, really fine grid. I don't know why. I feel like on camera it looks like gray gridding, but it's actually yellow. Like it's fully yellow. Very spring-like. And then I think this is the last item. Oh, it's like a little pouch, and it already says you can put the washi, little washi strips in here and stuff. Ah, okay, it's all kind of like a series. I'm getting it now. So this little garden, this says little garden, and this also is little garden. So I think they all kind of go together. Yeah, it's kind of like a pouch. Let me take the plastic off. Okay, I'm gonna move this box just to hopefully give you a bit of a clearer view, but this is the pouch, and you fold it up pretty much like this. It's kind of like a travel pouch, essentially. Yeah, and okay, I'm trying to figure out how I would use it. The picture has it down this way, so you could put this here. I guess you could keep this here. And then they've got it in the little example picture, which is just in the plastic here. You can put your passport here. So I guess you could use it for an array of things, but yeah, there's a pocket here if you want to put something on the outside, one here, here, 2 pockets, one here, and a third one there. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. But it does feel pretty loose, so I feel like you can actually stuff it quite a bit. Like there's a lot of room for it to... The pockets are not tight. Sometimes pockets can be too firm and you're like, what could I actually put in there? It's way too firm. But this one, I feel like you could actually put quite a lot. So yeah, definitely probably my favorite pack so far. And also I want to go try those pens, so let's give them a shot. Okay, so the first pen is from Zig and it's a letter pen. I feel like I already have this in, like, I think it's pretty much the exact same pen, but the outside has just a bunch of cats on it instead. So it's more like a lettering pen. And I think I need to, do I need to enable the ink? I feel like it should be ink here, but I'm not sure, and I'm a bit scared to open it and then have a bunch of ink flow. You know what? Let's just try it first. Oh no, I don't really need to do anything. It just works right out of the box. Zenpop. It's pretty stiff, but I think if you angle it, you can get some pretty thicker lines and then very thin lines from the top. But yeah, these are one of those pens that I usually need to use a little bit so I can really break them in, but they're actually very good pens as well. And this one is a Sakura Pen. So appropriately named, the company Sakura, and it's a fluorescent magenta sort of color. Yeah, very, very fluorescent and thick. I don't know why I had to put on a smiley face. Yeah, I think this is 0.8, so it is definitely on the thicker side. And it's not metallic, is it? I can't tell. Let's draw a little bit more. It has some sparkles in it, like micro sparkles. I don't even know that it's coming up on camera at all, but in person you can kind of see it. But yeah, it's mostly just a really beautiful fluorescent magenta. So yeah, that is everything in the April box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. I'll have a link to the box down below, as well as my code ABEAUTIFULFABLE, which gives you a discount. And I say this all the time, but I feel like I have to. I don't get anything for the code. I don't get anything from the link, to be honest. Like, it's not even an affiliate link. It is just purely for you guys. So hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting for my room. Back to the internet.